ایکڑی گاڑی دوسری
Out of a total force of 33,000 in the Sindh police, 11,000, which is 33% of the police force, is on security. Out of which 4,000 are on duties which are for people who are legally entitled to it, and the remaining 7,000 are for influentials, cronies, or you name. These are the people who really don't need security, but they've just got it to show their arrogance with the police mobile following them. You have an alternative. Hire your own security guard. Why do you want the police to guard you?
پروٹوکول آفیسر DRG